Hey, I'm Grump. I'm not so Grump. And we're
Micarooba.
Oh, this is where you meet your best friend Mike.
Oh, Mike! Alright.
Didn't you find out that his official name was Buddy?
Yeah, but you know what? That doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Because he's Mike to us.
Yeah.
There he is.
Fucking...
What's up, Mike?
Micarooba.
Macoomba.
That's why we call him Mike, because he says Micarooba.
Macoomba. Macoomba.
I guess
No, Mike. Don't. We are
Mike's
going...
like, what about that Caruba?
Macoomba?
Micarooba.
Any... Macoomba.
Micarooba.
My Caruba. My tuba. My tuba.
My tuba.
My Caruba. My Caruba. Aruba. Take
My Caruba.
my Caruba. My Caruba. My Caruba. My Caruba.
My Caruba.
My Cuba. My Cuba.
Caruba. My Caruba.
My Cuba. My Cuba.
My Caruba. My Caruba. My Caruba.
My Cuba. My Cuba. My Cuba.
My Caruba.
My Caruba.
My Caruba. Micarooba.
Welcome back to My Caruba. He's like, I'm out of here. My Caruba.
My Cuba. My Cuba. My Caruba. Oh, my Cuba.
My Caruba.
My Cuba, you stupid bitch.
God damn it, Mike.
No, no. My Cuba.
My Caruba.
My Caruba.
My Caruba.
Wait, I'm supposed to spaceship.
My Caruba.
That might have been.
Run.
Sure could use my Caruba. My Cuba. My Cuba.
My Caruba.
My Cuba.
Caruba.
My Cuba. 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 My Cuba. My Cuba.
My Caruba.
My Cuba. My Cuba. My Cuba. My Cuba. My Cuba. My Cuba. And my Cuba.
My Caruba. My Caruba. My Caruba.
And you know what? If I could sum up everything in one word, it would have to be good. Just kidding, it's my Caruba.
Bonus steal! You know, I've never actually read Moby Dick.
My Caruba.